Hello. Imagine that you have a task. You move the task from a status not started yet to a status working on it, and the system would automatically reassign the task to another person and change the priority from urgent to something else, say medium or high. Now you can do such things with our automation. You go to automation, you add a process, you name it, let's call it update tasks. You select an object that you want to monitor. All these objects you can monitor will pick a task. We'll look at a task status. We are looking at a status working on it, and this is the condition that the system is monitoring. And as I said, you can pick many more objects, not just a task. And if the condition is true, if a change happens, the system then creates an action. So you create an action, you can change an attribute, you can even notify a person, someone who wouldn't be notified otherwise. You can send an email to anyone outside of Caflou, or you can even create a task. So imagine if a task status changes, create a new task. But for now, let's pick the attribute change. So when a task changes to working on it, we'll change the assigned person to Jiřitenka, and we also will lower the priority down from urgent to, say, medium. Okay, let's save it. Update task is done. Let's go back to the project. And we have a task which, say, was urgent, and we now move it to working on it. You heard? And the bot actually modified the object. So if you look at the detail, you will see that the bot updated the task, from the assigned person Terezalem to Jiřitenka, and the bot changed the priority to medium from urgent. So this is how you can work with automation. There are many more scenarios, so play with it, but it can save you a lot of time by automating the basic processes like reassigning, notifying, changing attributes, and so on.